So now I am going to tell you how can you upgrade your INFINIX Zero 34 X6731B model device to the latest Android, which is Android 14 with XOS 14.5.0. So how can you do that? Here is the changelog of that update, and yeah, you can pause the video and read the changelog, as I will also provide the changelog to the description of this video. So yeah, so now I'm going to tell you you can download the file of this firmware or software update from the description, as I will also provide the link. Direct link here is the direct link. I also will provide to the description box, as you will open this and automatically downloading will be started. Just hang on. And yeah, here you can see that the download for file is about 6.45 gigabytes. Yeah, it will take us time, as I have a slow internet connection. You can download as your own way. Just go to settings and find out the system, where you will find a system update in Android 13. As I have installed Android 14, I will not get any option of system update here in the system. So whenever you will find system in the setting, and you will find the software update, and you will see the screen as of this online update and the local update. You will need to click on local update. After clicking on local update, you will be redirected to the internal storage. So yeah, the file you have downloaded, the firmware from the description, I have provided the link. From the link you will download the file, and you will find the file in the internal storage. And also, don't paste the file in the downloaded folder, which is by default, but you will need to move the or cut the file from the download folder to the internal storage main. Okay, so yeah, whenever you will click on that option local update, you will be redirected to the internal storage, and just click on this, the file you have downloaded. After clicking on install button, okay, after clicking on install button, you will automatically found a screen which is system update in progress. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes, so hang on for that time, and the installation will be take only 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, after that you will be successfully upgraded to the Android 14 from Android 13, as I have also installed the Android 14 XOS 14.5.0. Yeah, also you can check the update from my phone clicking on XOS card. Okay, so here I have the new updated feature in the XOS, as this is the currently a beta version. It is almost a bugless and is much better than Android 13. I have personal experience this. This is not officially released by Infinix official from the system update, but this is the official file and provided by the Infinix official. Yeah, you can safely install it, but remind the one thing, your model should be Infinix X6731B. If you have this model of INFINIX Zero 34G, you can safely install and upgrade your Android 13 to Android 14, which is the latest one. If you have any issue or found an error, you can definitely contact with me. And also, I have to tell you something. For better experience of Android 14 with XOS 14.5.0, if you want, this is not compulsory at all. You can factory reset after updating your Android from 13 to 14. It is better for enhancement and provide better feature. Okay, this is not compulsory or necessary for that, but if you want a better, much better experience and stable one, if you found any error in the upgraded version, you will need to definitely reset your device. It will automatically fix that.